Hello everybody, welcome back to Steeldetailing channel, where you can learn everything about building information modeling. Today we are going to talk about how to create grids and elevations in Revit version 2022. This is going to be a series of videos on Steeldetailing using Revit. Revit modeling is somewhat similar to Tekla. Tekla is more of a detail-oriented software that will be used by the detailers, whereas Revit will be used by the engineers and architects. We have the Revit opened already. Let's create a new model. Select Imperial Construction Template. Click OK. By default, Revit will create some levels like level 1, level 2, top of the footing, top of the basement, roof, side, ceiling plans, and the building elevations in all 4 directions. Let's go to level 1. But before creating the grids, we have to set the units just like AutoCAD. Press UN to open the project units window. The area is in square feet. Let's go to the length. Units are in feet and fractional inches. I'm gonna change the rounding of value to the nearest 1/16th of an inch. Rotational angle and slope or degrees, everything's good. Click OK. Let's select the grids and start drawing the vertical grids. Draw grid number 1 in 90 degrees. Then if we hover near grid 1 in a horizontal direction, Revit will show the distance from that grid in a transparent text. We can type the text we want. I'm going to type 35 feet. Revit will name that grid as 2 automatically. Then grid line 3 at 40 feet. And grid line 4 at again 35 feet. When we select a grid, we can see a lock nearby. If we unlock that, we can extend that grid separately. If we lock that again, all the grids will be locked in the same alignment. Now let's draw the horizontal grids. I'm going to name the horizontal grids in alphabets. Let's rename this to A. Let's draw the next grid at 20 feet. Revit will automatically name that grid as B. Let's draw grid C at 30 feet and grid D at 20 feet again. Press Escape. In the project browser, select any one elevation view. I'm going to select East Elevation. We can see all the default levels created by Revit in the elevation view. I'm going to delete level 3 and level 4. Click OK, which will remove these levels in project browser window as well. I'm going to delete the top of footing as well. You can see it removed. I'm going to align level 1 with other levels and lock it. We're going to create some more levels. The roof level is at 20 feet. I'm going to rename that to level 3. Click yes to rename that in all the corresponding views. It will be renamed in the floor plans. We can see the grids that we created in the level 1 plan in all the other plans. It will be visible in side view, level 3, level 2 and of course level 1. Let's go back to the east elevation view. I'm going to create a roof level at 10 feet from level 3. Press L to create a new level. Type 10 feet from level 3 and draw a new level. Press Escape and align that with other levels to lock it. Click and rename that to roof. And click OK to change it in all the corresponding views. We can see that in the project browser. I'm going to extend the horizontal grids above the roof level. And align all the level grids on the left hand side. That's how we can create elevation levels and grids in Autodesk Revit. Alright, that's it for today. If you liked the video, don't forget to hit the like button. If you're new to our channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. Thank you.